If you have frozen vegetables and you don't know what to do with them, then this recipe is perfect. You're going to add 3 eggs to a bowl. I'm using 3 eggs plus some egg whites that I had left over. You can use 4 to 5 eggs according to your preference. Add a pinch of salt, season to your liking. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, and some oregano. Then I'm just gonna add some Parmesan cheese and mix that all together. So I have a bunch of frozen veggies in my fridge and we are going on holiday soon. So I just wanted to get rid of most of them. And so I'm doing this easy vegetable cake, okay? So you just add your Parmesan cheese. You want to mix to make sure it's combined properly. And then I'm just going to add some Greek yogurt. This is 2% Greek yogurt that I'm using. Of course, you can use Greek yogurt of your choice. And I'm just adding 2 spoons, which is around 50 to 60 grams of Greek yogurt. You're just going to mix that well. And then for the frozen veggies, what I did was I boiled them and then I put them in the oven to get rid of excess moisture. So you want to roast your vegetables in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes so that they don't taste soggy. And then you're going to season them with your herbs of choice. So I use basically the same things I use in the egg mixture plus a mixed herb bottle there that has a mixture of all the different herbs. Then you're just going to add your egg mixture to your veggies and combine properly. And then you're going to add cheese on top. So I'm using a 4 cheese mixture that I had in the fridge and some parmesan, some grated parmesan cheese um, to top that off. And then you're just going to put that in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. And you will have a high protein vegetable cake. Enjoy!